Game!
Okay, 2 points by number 26. Nice shot by Trinidad. Score 0-4. Kevin, 2 points. Mukhang maganda ang dala ni Boss Eric Oy, bad pass. Pascual, tumitingit pa. Pascual, oy, sayang. Nangangapa pa si Pascual. Okay, Sir CM. Nice pass to number 26. Oy! Napagkakamalan talagang ahap na si Pascual. Oy! Dalawa na yan ha? Dalawa na yan. Bawi lang ng depensa. 17, no good. Rebound by Cedric. Nakuha. Eto na. Oy! Blanca by number 8. Okay, 2 points. Score 2-6. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Mahaba pa ang oras. Dumipensa lang. 2 points by number 8. Score 2-8. Hindi pwede kay Cedric yan. Pascual. 4th time. Wow! Huwag kang mahihiya. Shoot din yan. Okay, rebound by number 0. Maba pa oras sa halos 5 minuto pa. To CM. CM, ang ipit. 5 seconds to shoot. Okay, good ha? Good. Walang tumawag ng foul. Kevin, to Pascual. Iniipit. Grabe, ipit na ipit. 14 seconds. Cedric, no good. Okay. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 to number 17. CM, no good. Cedric to Jerome. Jerome, teardrop, kapos lang. Pero nandiyan si Cedric. Wow! Ayaw pala ng madaling tira. Score 4-8. Time remaining 3 minutes 36 seconds. Trinidad. Oops! Good. Okay lang, Trinidad? Okay. Nakapakan ng sapatos. Okay, game. Naipit nicely by Cedric to DL. Okay, foul. Last 3 minutes. Nice pass by Sir CM. Bad pass. Jerome nagmamadali. Easy layup. No good. Okay lang yan. Bawi tayo. CM malakas. Nakuha ni Pascual. Okay, Pascual to Gomez. Gomez. Okay, Gomez. Hindi pwede kay Trinidad yun. Nice. Trinidad dribbling the ball, 14 seconds to shoot. Nice pass. Ang ganda naman nun. Okay, good. No foul, no foul. Jerome to Cedric, 2 points. Okay, Florendo. Umira, Florendo, no good. Rebound by number 3, nice. Rebound by number 3. Score 6-10. Sayang, hindi napilit ni Kevin. Number 3. Mukhang ipapasa, sabi nga ba. Sayang, rebound by Cedric. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Nice fake. Okay, good. 1 minute, 12 seconds. To Pascual. Bawi na. Si Kerry na sumasablay. Nice steal by Cedric. Nice pass. Maalat lang. Pero try again. Jerome, nice fake to Cedric. Cedric to Gomez. "34 seconds, 14 to shoot. 34 seconds, 14 to shoot. Eight seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Still. Last 20 seconds. Last 20. Okay. 6-12. Last 16 seconds. Last 16 seconds. Okay. 8 seconds. Jerome. Mukhang isushoot na ni Jerome. Nice rebound by Trinidad. 2 seconds. 1 second. Okay, score 6-12 in favor of Team Eric. Score 12-6. Jerome, gumilid ka pa ng konti. Gumilid ka pa. Sumisiksik kasi kayo. Siya na kasi umuupa ng ilalim eh. Dapat si Pascual silang dalawa nagpapalitan doon sa perimeter. Nagkakasapu lang kayo. Kaya bigla nag-iipit eh. Yun ang patirahin niya sa tres. Si Jerome. Huwag na siyang pumasok sa... Kasi kayo magtutulong yan sa kayo. Okay, back to the ball game ha. Para makarami po tayo. Bola po. Nila Pascual. Kevin, 2 points. He scored 12-8. Okay, inbound violation. Wala po tayo 5 seconds sa pag-inbound kaya make sure maayos ang pag-inbound. Nice. Itira mo na yan, Cedric. No good. Sayang. Rebound by Sir CM. Munti ka na. CM, nice D by Kevin. Number 17 na. Sayang. Rebound by Trinidad. No good. Rebound by Cedric. Yun lang, hindi nakatingin yung papasahan. Apat lang po ang hinahabol ng Team Extra Rice. Nice! Ang ganda nun! Nag-he sila. Buti na ipasok ni Florento. Score 14-8. Okay. Mukhang may steal, sabi nga may. Steal by Jerome. Jerome to Pascual. To Gomez. Gomez. 12 seconds to shoot. Okay, fall down. Para nag-lips to lips yata yun. Malakas na lang po ang tawag ng foul. Remind ko lang, wala tayong first ball ha. Kevin, no good rebound by. Okay, last touch by. Bola po. Bola dito. Okay, CM. Pumersa. Sir CM. Okay, foul muna daw, foul. Sayang. Nakuha na naman yung tiro ni Jerome. Good yan, wala tayong first ball ha. Good yan. Wala po tayong first ball ha. Nice to numbers 0. No good by Trinidad. Rebound by Jerome to Kevin. Kevin, nag-a-allocate ang papasahan. Nagsisiksikan, wala sa kabilang wing. Cedric, 10 seconds to shoot. To Pascual. Okay. Nakuha ni Trinidad, nice pass. Number 3, no good. Number 3, another is good. 16-8. Lamang po ng animang Team CN. Pascual to Cedric, sayang. Dito bola ha. Okay, 3 points pa, tama? Okay, 16-11. Lima lang ang hinahabol. Nice by Pascual. Pascual, oy. Inbound violation. Wala po tayong 5 seconds. Okay, warning delay of the game number 17. Bibigay nyo na po agad ang bola. Cedric. Nice fake. Pinasa kay Jerome. Jerome, mukhang isushoot na. Another. Wow! 16-13. Gusto pala nag-a-acrobat. Gomez. Gomez. Okay. Black fall down. Okay, Cedric to Pascual. Pascual. Jerome, no good. Wow, reverse again. Pala ko, puro reverse ang gusto ko shoot ng kabila. Rebound by number 17. Wow, rebound by Cedric. Last 2 minutes. Pascual, ang punang-unat. Pascual. Wala, alam lang talaga. Okay, Trinidad, dribbling the ball. Trinidad. Pinasasayaw si Kevin. Ang ganda ng pasa. Sayang. Nakuha na yung boss. Bigay nyo na agad. Wait lang ha. Okay, game. Okay, 2 points. Ha? Okay, sige. Score 16-15. Sa last 1 minute po ha, lahat ng foul may free throw na. Last 1 minute, 12 seconds to shoot. Florendo, no good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3 is good. Time out. Score 18-15. Score 46-7. Inom na muna po yung iinom. Nag-time out kayo, Gomez. 46.7. 18-15. Let's go. 18-15. Lamang kayo. Okay, game ha. Pascual, nasayang. Mahaba pa oras, no need to foul. Okay. Call down foul, 2 free throws. 2 free throws. Score 18-15. Time remaining, 29 seconds. First try. No good. Naman kayong tatlo, Trinidad. Second shot. No good. Rebound by Cedric. Nakuha din number 3. No need to foul. Nice D. 16 seconds, 10 to shoot. Nine seconds. Okay.